There you go. Take that, baby. Take that. Give it. Yeah. Give me some more. Take it. There you go. Oh my God, yes.
Let's do it.
The Galaxy S20 has just dropped. I don't give a damn about that phone, man. I got a Galaxy Note 10. And for those Galaxy Note owners out there, you know what's up already. These Galaxy Note 10 Pluses, man. Like right now, there's nothing really touching it, man. I know better cameras and better processors, but in the real world, Galaxy Note 10 Plus is where it's at. So I ain't worried about that phone. And when I first saw that they were coming out with some Galaxy Buds Plus, I was like, all right, whatever. You know, it's not gonna be anything serious like to make me want to go get the new ones because, you know, they're already great. What more could they do? Add noise canceling? To be honest with you, I don't even care about noise canceling when it comes to earbuds. But then I took a closer look and they started to pique my interest. Check this out, man. Hold on. Let me look at this real quick. So first of all, they extended the battery life by a bunch, okay? 22 hours total versus, I don't know, what was the old battery life? Like 12 hours total? You used to be able to get like one charge out of the old ones and the actual time for the buds was 6 hours. Now you're getting 15 hours of talking time and 11 hours worth of music time out of your new Galaxy Buds Plus. Like, I'm not a battery hog on anything. Like anytime I was listening to my buds, it was no more than maybe an hour and a half during a workout or something like that. I don't suggest people go walking around all day with these things stuck in your ears because even though the Galaxy Buds, the OG Galaxy Buds are very comfortable to wear, anything stuck in your ear for more than 45 minutes to an hour starts to get uncomfortable. So, you know, this 11 hours worth of playtime, that doesn't mean you're gonna be having these things stuck in your ears for 11 hours, but it's really nice to know that even if you do just kind of leave them on the counter right there outside of the case, you got 11 hours worth of music to listen to. So that right there on its own, it's like, that's a lot of freaking playtime right there. For some earbuds, that's gotta be the longest lasting earbud that's out on the market right now. That's just nuts. What else did they do? I hope they're still small. They look like they're still small. They don't look like they've increased the size at all, or maybe just by a little bit. Because that's what I really liked about the Galaxy Buds, the OG ones, was that the case was just a little bit bigger than my thumb, and the buds themselves were so small that's what makes them so comfortable. So to add that much battery life in a form that's that small, that's some serious stuff right there. Next, I want to talk about this seamless switching between devices. Now, once you pair your Galaxy Buds, your OG Buds, to your phone, you're not stuck with that forever and ever, but you do have to pair them with the next device and it's kind of a quirky process to get them to work on your tablet or another device. Now they're advertising here seamless switching, which is basically gonna help you just go from device to device, you know, with no hiccups, no pairing, no unpairing or nothing like that. So I'm kind of excited about that. That way I can use the buds on my tablet and my phone because I'm a tablet user too. Do people still use tablets, man? I still use my tablet, but nowhere near as much as I thought I would. It's just occasion, but it's nice to know that I can switch seamlessly between the two. Now, since they have a dedicated app and touch control on the pads, they can pretty much do anything they want. So what they've done is they've taken either a tap and hold or a double tap in one of the buds to get your Spotify playlist to play. This would be great if it was integrated with something else because, you know, me personally, I'm not a Spotify guy. But for those of you who are Spotify users, you probably gonna love this feature, man. I don't know if it's gonna go to a specific playlist or just open up Spotify by itself. Either way, it's a look forward in that direction because these are music devices and, you know, you want to be connected to your music immediately with just a double tap or a tap and hold. So that's pretty fly. Next, I'm going to talk about cross compatibility. Now, if you're a Samsung Galaxy user like myself, Samsung Night stand up, it's no problem. You got the app support, they sound better, like everything is working seamlessly, just as advertised with the OG Galaxy Buds. But for those of you who have either an iPhone or a non-Galaxy device, you know, I've heard out there that they may not sound as good. Of course, you can't even, you know, use the little EQ that they have. And if you have an iPhone, you don't even have the app. So like, that's a big problem. So now there's cross compatibility. So hopefully those of you who are using iPhones who just might not like the AirPods or whatever, you know, maybe you can get you some Galaxy Buds Plus now and they'll work just like they do for the rest of us Samsung Nights. That's going to be a big plus. Now you're going to know what the other side is like, homie. Now I have brought up the app in this video and I want to talk about that. A couple of days ago, I was watching Jimmy is Promo. I think that's his channel name, Jimmy is Promo. and he showed the app for the Galaxy Buds, and I noticed it looked a little bit different than mine. It had, you know, kind of a different layout for the ambient sound, and I noticed that there were maybe one or two other settings on the little EQ knob that they have in there, and I was like, well, that's just a software update. So let me go check out my Galaxy Buds and see if I got a software update. And I did have a software update, but it wasn't that. I've updated twice on that app and it doesn't look that way. So that's kind of crappy that Samsung would do that, you know, make that specific for the Galaxy Buds Plus, because it's really just software. But you will get that new app with the new Galaxy Buds Plus. So that's a plus, pun intended. Okay, I'm gonna touch on about 3 more things and then I'm out of here. So first of all, the ambient sound. A lot of people are disappointed that we don't get noise canceling in these earbuds. And I don't care, okay? And here's why I don't care. They're earbuds. They stick in your ears and they already block out a lot of sound passively. Anytime you stick like an earplug, I mean, that's literally what earplugs are, is they block out sound passively, and that's what earbuds do. So to add noise canceling to earbuds, it's almost a redundancy or even almost a gimmick. Now I know the Sony, you know, XM3 earbuds or whatever they're called, and even Edifier has, you know, a budget range of noise canceling in their earbuds, but those things are freaking massive, and that's what happens when you start adding noise canceling into earbuds. Like, they become massive, and you're not going to get the battery life you might want. And it's not even necessary. So when it comes to putting something in your ears and blocking outside surroundings physically, passively, ambient sound is a great utility. So I'm really glad that they've worked on the ambient sound and made it better in the Galaxy Buds Plus, because in the old version it was good, but I would like for it to be magnified a little bit more in those buds. So now that ambient sound, it's gonna work great, hopefully. I don't have them in hand, so hopefully it's gonna work even better than it does, which I already like. So it's gonna be a true win for the upgraded ambient sound that we're gonna get, because that's what you need when you're wearing earbuds. All you people going crazy over noise canceling inside of earbuds, man, I don't know what you're going crazy for. You talk about gimmicks, that's a gimmick, because it's just wasted technology, man. Keep noise canceling in on-ear and over-ear headphones. That's where it belongs. Next, we'll talk about call quality. Now, in my actual review of the OG Galaxy Buds, I told you call quality was good. That's because I was getting a good experience. In later videos, I told you it was hit or miss. Like, sometimes it's excellent. Sometimes if I pull the bud out just a little bit from my ears, the call quality would get better. It was almost like my ears were covering up one of the mics or something like that. But, you know, it was just kind of hit or miss. It was a 50% chance you were going to have a great phone call or not. With this, you know, they're claiming they got double or dual mics, one on the outside, one on the inside. Now, I've checked and they said that with the last buds too. So with this call quality stuff, hopefully they did listen to us and improve it. If not, then hey, it's Galaxy Buds, right? Like, I don't really take a lot of calls on my buds, and I really prefer walking around with my, you know, my LG Tone Frees, you know, for phone calls, because those are impeccable, man. I really like walking around with those in my ears because I got that open ear sound going. But, you know, when you're wearing your Galaxy Buds Plus, let's just pray, cross our fingers, cross your feet, break out your chicken foot and shake it around. And let's just hope that we get much better call quality on those things. Last but not least, we're going to talk about sound, man. So AKG and Samsung have been in the bed with each other, just making little love children when it comes to sound. I really do like the AKG sound in the Samsung products, but this time they've taken it a step further. I've heard of dual driver earbuds before, even triple driver, I think. But in this case, they're not calling it double driver, dual driver, anything like that. They're saying we've got a dedicated subwoofer and a dedicated tweeter in this earbud. Like, I know it's all in the naming, okay, but they're calling it a subwoofer in an earbud. And it's, yeah, okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that. A subwoofer and a tweeter in the earbud. They're not calling it dual, they're calling it subwoofer and tweeter. So this is gonna give you a full dynamic range of sound. I cannot wait. When I tell you I can't wait to hear what these things sound like, that's why I'm like, you know, just here, take some more. There you go, baby, there you take it. I wanna hear what a subwoofer and a tweeter sounds like in an earbud. All right, I'm excited, man. So it's supposed to ship out February 14th. hopefully very soon after that, I'll get to play around with them and give y'all my real thoughts on these things, because this is all speculation, man. I just placed my order, and yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all, because initially I wasn't going to get these things because they looked like it was just going to be a, just a touch of an upgrade, but they've really done some changes here, man. So I'm excited about the new Galaxy Buds Plus. Let me know in the comments section if you pre-ordered or if you plan on getting them in the future. Yeah, I just want to know, man, who's planning on getting these new Galaxy Buds Plus? Now, I will tell you, if you've got the OG Galaxy Buds, should you upgrade? That's a tough one, man, because, I'm a YouTuber. I do this for a living. So for me, yes, it's worth the upgrade. Not only am I going to be able to make videos off these things, but, it's what I do. But for the average user who just listens to a set of earbuds, if you've already got the OG Galaxy Buds, if you find something drastically wrong with them that I said has been improved here, fine, go ahead and give them your money. But if you're okay with your OG Galaxy Buds, man, keep your money in your pocket. Save your Christmas money for another day, man. Go buy something else. But if you don't have any buds at all, I say either one of them are going to be great. But if you're doing that, spend the extra 30 bucks or 20 bucks, because I think the Galaxy Buds are still $129 and these new ones are $149. So spend that extra bread and get the Galaxy Buds Plus. You're going to win all the way with the Galaxy Buds Plus, because, like I said, subwoofer and a tweeter, and then they got the improved sound, improved ambient sound, improved battery life. Can't go wrong with that for an extra 20 bucks, right? Either way, I ain't no expert in this stuff. I'm just throwing my money at a computer screen and losing my mind over freaking earbuds. Either way, if y'all had a good time talking about these earbuds with me, make sure you give me those emoji hands up in the comment section, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you may want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?